I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day again, and we're back here at Lennar at Skye Canyon here in Northwest Las Vegas. And with Lennar, they have a trademark of everything's included, so I'm pretty excited about that. We will tour a two-story home with a first floor bedroom. And again guys, before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe down below so that every time I post a video, you won't miss it. And after this video, please don't forget to watch the other homes at my channel page for more home tours. Again guys, I'm super excited. Let's do this. Let's tour this home together. Alright guys, this is the home. Look at this beautiful exterior here. Really nice. Right? Very contemporary design. And you have the two-car garage there, and this is your driveway. Really nice, very elegant looking. Okay, let's check out the inside of this home. I like that they put already the landscaping here, and then you have a covered area before entering the house. Nice stonework here. Love seeing stonework. Very elegant actually. Okay, you can probably put like a seating arrangement here. This is the SKYLAND 2,270 square feet. Let's check this out. Ooh. Upon entering the house, you can see this stairs. And this high ceiling here. Let me close the door first. Okay, I'm gonna close the door. Okay, I closed the door. But look at this, guys. This is a very high ceiling up there. Lots of windows. Okay, I'm seeing really nice flooring as well. So before we go up, let's check out what's happening on this area. It's a different setup I'm seeing already, but let's check out what's in here. This is a storage area, very deep because it's under the stairs, so you can put all of your seasonal items there, such as Halloween, right? Halloween costumes. You have Christmas decors that you can store in that storage area. All right, I think we're entering immediately the main living area. I'm seeing a cozy dining area here. Look at this, very cozy. And then there is something like a wall art there, right? There's something on the left. So let's check this out first. Okay, so you have the garage here. With Lennar, you can actually get the future car charger outlets in the garage. And there's something here. Ooh, full bathroom. Whenever I see a full bathroom on the first floor, I am guessing there could be a first floor bedroom. All right, let's check out here because I'm seeing like a, oh, it's an office. The lights are not on, so it's pretty dark in here. But this is nice. This you have an office on the first floor. right? And also very private because it's all the way tucked in on this corner of the house. I hope this is a closet so that you can use this as a bedroom. I cannot open it like, oh yes. Okay, so yes, this is a closet. So technically, I'm right. So basically the reason why we saw a full bathroom there is because this is considered to be a first floor bedroom, which is currently staged as an office, but definitely you can use this as a first floor bedroom. It's not the biggest. You can probably put like a full-size bed there because there is a closet there. This is very ideal because, you know, like for people who cannot go up, this is the bedroom for them. And the reason why is because there is a full bathroom there. So this can be used by your guest and also your parents or in-laws that wanted to stay on the first floor bedroom. All right, let's check out this main living area. This is very cozy. It's not the biggest, but I like that they have that huge door there so that you can definitely have a lot of lights coming in. Okay, so I am at the corner of this home and this is how it looks like, guys. So that's the door we entered a while ago. There's a dining here and then you immediately see your living room area, and then that is your kitchen. This is a bright kitchen. Okay guys, so based on what I've noted, or based on my conversation with the agent about a month ago, they said that usually everything's included, but they normally just upgrade the flooring, and if ever they put like the backsplash, right? So, but everything is already here, meaning it's included in the price, appliances and everything, right? So those, and even the counter, they said it's included. So this is a lot of seating arrangement here. This is a lot of cabinetry here. Okay, so yeah, this is a nice shaker one, 42 inches, I think. And then they've always, I like this a lot because you can drink fresh, clean water there without worrying about any contamination. And then they have that backyard there, which we will check if we can, if they didn't close that. You know, with of hope, a lot of people like the vent hood, right? Because that's easier to suck up the moist and the smell. So I'm at the corner of this kitchen area here. This is a really nice quartz. You can't see on the video, but there's some sparkle on it. Okay, let's check out what's happening here. I think this might be your, yeah, it's not the biggest, right? But at least you have something to store your grocery items there. Okay, so I think we've seen that. Before we go to the backyard, let's probably go to the second floor so that we can see what's happening there first. Okay, so we're going to the second floor. So you can actually upgrade this, guys, to a hardwood. It's easier to maintain when you have a hardwood. Okay, so what's happening here? There's a little bit of a landing here. Let's check out what's happening on that area first. Okay, so is this the owner's? I don't know, but we will check it out. It's pretty big though. This is a big bedroom if this is just a secondary bedroom, guys. Like a king-size bed would fit in here easily. And it has its own bathroom. Hello guys. Oh, it's not because I'm seeing a bedroom there. Okay, so this is just a secondary bathroom and bedroom situation here. But this is the double sink. So basically you can close this, someone else can use this bathroom. So this is a Jack and Jill because that's the bedroom. And this is the shower area. Right? Very, very convenient. Okay, so, and this is pretty standard. This is easy to clean. Okay, so that's your second floor secondary bedroom, and then we're now entering the second one. For some reasons, these bedrooms here are very spacious. Like you can definitely put a king-size bed there. Yeah, this is a very spacious secondary bedroom. I like the use of the different bed frame there, right? You just need to put like a wall design there, and this will be dramatic. It's easy to put the wall design, guys, not too expensive. Okay, so and that is your closet there. So basically that's the first secondary bedroom we've seen, which has the Jack and Jill bathroom with this bedroom. Okay, so basically I think this might be the area of the first floor, the owner's bedroom, but before we proceed, I'm seeing the laundry area. Okay, so just highly recommended to use an insulated door here because I'm seeing again this laundry is near your owners so that you won't hear the noise. Okay, so we're now entering, wow, this is a very big owner's bedroom here, guys. This is definitely big. Yeah, this is big. You see how this is so wide? You can tell like this is a really big owner's bedroom. Again, like the carpet, you can definitely upgrade that into a hardwood. It will make someone's life easier. It's easy to clean, you know, especially the vinyl plank. There are vinyl nowadays that are waterproof. So I installed it at my home and it's so easy to clean. You can remove the dirt easily. Carpet is really very, you know, there's a lot of dirt stuck in it, which you can't see. Okay, let's check out what's happening in this area. I think I'm seeing something like a closet. Yeah, it is. Okay, at least it's not so small, unlike the other model, right? This is a pretty spacious closet area. You can put like cabinetry there. This will make it more even spacious. And LED lighting will make this really big. Okay, let's check out your bathroom. Wow, this is very bright in here. Hello. Yeah, you have your double sink there. Look at this. Everything's included. Okay, and then you have the standard shower there and bath area. They use the frosted glass there so that no one can see you from outside, right? And they use this flooring. They said flooring are normally upgraded, so that's the only one that you have to worry about. There's something here that's your toilet area. Oh wow, I am now so good. I'm feeling so good now, guys. Why? Because remember we've seen like the closet there. I thought that's the only closet, but look at this. This is for sure very big, considering that you already have the other closet there. Okay, so I am so glad. You can put a lot of clothes here. And also you can put like a really nice cabinetry and different LED lighting. This is a huge one. I believe the ladies will get this one. And then the other one will be for the guys, for the gentlemen, because ladies nowadays need a lot of space for their clothing, isn't it? Comment down below. Okay, at least I'm happy. I wanted to be able to have a lot of closet area for you all, because that's very important nowadays, right? So this is again your master, or we call it primary bedroom now because of the regulation that you cannot call it a master bedroom anymore. All right, very impressive closet area, but at least it's big. Okay, so we're back here. We're gonna go down so that you can experience how it is going down the stairs. Well, the good thing is you have a first floor bedroom, because that's very important, and I like that kind of situation where you have a first floor bedroom even though you have two-story home, because sometime in the future you don't want to go up and you can't afford to go up, so that's very ideal for you. Oh, we haven't checked the backyard, but I don't know if we can open it. Let's try. Okay, so they didn't block it anymore. The other model, it was blocked. Okay, so this is a really nice backyard, guys. I don't know if you can put a pool here. It's pretty tight from that side to this side, but maybe like a huge spa. But I like the way they did this, like a oval kind of seating arrangement here. You can actually put like a seating make this a little wider so that you can have this as a seating. It's a nice shape. And there's an entrance there, which is really nice. And this is how it looks like from the back of the house. Right? Really nice. It's because of this greenery here. You know, whenever there is greenery on your backyard and then you have these plants here, it always makes it so refreshing to look at. And the good thing is they already put that patio cover so that you can have a sitting arrangement there. That's your AC. And I am at the side of this home, so I can give you an idea how it looks like from the back. Yeah, so the backyard of that model house we toured also on this channel. We were not able to go out because it's blocked. The backyard is closed. Okay. Awesome. This is a nice backyard. We can definitely ask if you can upgrade this to a much more larger lot, so that if you wanted to put like a swimming pool in the future, you can do so. Comment down below, guys, what do you think of this home, and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire tour. Please don't forget to write your comments down below. What do you think of this home? And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there for you to enjoy. Until next time, guys, I really appreciate your support to the channel. We are growing. Have an amazing day.